Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply some transition to all your clips on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first of all, I'm going to create new project on InShot. I'm going to click on video and click on new to start creating new project, and I'm going to add some images to my InShot project. I'm going to add all these images, and we can click on the check mark to add it to our InShot project. And if you want to apply transition, you can click on this icon and choose the transition you want to apply to all your clips. And I'm just going to select this transition, and you can click on this double check mark to apply same transition to all your clips. Okay, and click on apply to all. And as you can see guys, now all my clips have same transitions. And I'm going to check the transition. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to apply same transition to all clips on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.